Welcome to Crypto Intel Headquarters. I'm Elena Volkov, and tonight we're breaking down one crypto people are overlooking but shouldn't. Before we get started, make sure you're subscribed to this channel for weekly crypto intelligence that actually keeps you ahead. Today we're talking about DigiByte. Right now, DigiByte is in a downtrend. Price action has been slow, momentum is weak, and overall attention across the market is low. And if you're just looking at the surface, it doesn't look like anything special is happening. But that's exactly where some of the biggest opportunities in crypto have started before. When attention disappears, when hype fades, that's usually when positioning begins, not when the move is already obvious. Now let's break this down. DigiByte has been around since 2014. It's one of the older projects in crypto, and from a technical standpoint, it's still solid. It's faster than Bitcoin, with block times around 15 seconds. It uses multiple mining algorithms, which adds an extra layer of security, and it's fully decentralized, no central authority controlling it. On paper, that checks a lot of boxes. So why is it trending down? Why is nobody really talking about it? Because crypto doesn't just move on technology. It moves on attention, it moves on narratives, it moves on where people believe the next opportunity is. Look at projects like Ethereum or Solana. They didn't just grow because of strong tech. They grew because the market focused on them, developers built on them, capital flowed into them, and momentum followed. DigiByte hasn't had that kind of spotlight. There's no major ecosystem growth right now, no dominant narrative pushing it forward, no wave of new attention bringing it back into focus. So it stays quiet, and the price reflects that. But here's where things shift. Downtrends create conditions, and in crypto, those conditions can turn into opportunity if something changes. Because when a project already has working tech, and it's sitting with low attention, it doesn't take much for momentum to start building again. A shift in market focus, a new narrative, a broader rotation into undervalued or older projects. That's how these sleeper moves begin. And when they usually happen fast, before most people even realize what's going on. Now let's be clear, opportunity doesn't mean certainty. There's another side to this. Sometimes projects stay in downtrends because the market has already moved on. Newer chains come in with stronger ecosystems, better marketing, and more aggressive growth, and they take over attention. So the real question you should be asking isn't just, is DigiByte a sleeper? It's, is there a reason for attention to come back? Because without that, nothing changes. But if that reason shows up, even briefly, that's where positioning early starts to matter. So here's the takeaway today. DigiByte is not leading the market right now. It's not trending. It's not getting attention. But that lack of attention is exactly what creates the possibility of opportunity. Low hype, low momentum, but still backed by working fundamentals. That's the setup. Whether it turns into something or stays exactly where it is depends on what the market decides to focus on next. As always, this is not financial advice. This is for informational purposes only. Do your own research before making any decisions. If you want to stay ahead of moves like this before they become obvious, make sure you're subscribed to this channel for weekly crypto intelligence. Thanks for watching and have a good night.